Hello and thank you so much for servicing with us. If you're receiving this video, then your vehicle could greatly benefit from an engine coolant flush. Maintaining a vehicle involves a variety of routine checks and services to ensure optimal performance and longevity. One crucial yet often overlooked service is the engine coolant flush. Understanding the importance of this maintenance task can help vehicle owners prevent costly repairs and enhance their vehicle's reliability and efficiency. What is engine coolant? Engine coolant, also known as antifreeze, is a vital fluid that regulates the engine's temperature, preventing it from overheating or freezing under extreme weather conditions. It circulates through the engine, absorbing heat and dissipating it via the radiator, thereby maintaining an optimal operating temperature. Why is engine coolant important? Temperature regulation. The primary function of coolant is to regulate the engine's temperature. Without it, engines would quickly overheat, leading to potential damage or complete failure. Conversely, in colder climates, coolant prevents the engine from freezing, which can cause cracks and other severe issues. Corrosion prevention. Modern coolants contain additives that prevent corrosion and rust within the engine's cooling system. These additives form a protective layer on metal surfaces, safeguarding the engine and the radiator from internal decay. Lubrication of moving parts. Coolant lubricates the water pump and seals within the cooling system. Proper lubrication is essential for these components' smooth operation and longevity, reducing wear and tear. What are the signs you may need a coolant flush? Overheating engine. Frequent overheating is a clear sign that the coolant is no longer effective. Dirty or discolored coolant. Coolant should be bright green, orange, or pink depending on the type. Dark or murky coolant indicates contamination. Unpleasant odor. A sweet or burnt smell coming from the engine can indicate a coolant leak or degraded fluid. And lastly, coolant leaks. Puddles of coolant under the vehicle suggest a leak, requiring immediate attention and likely a coolant flush. How often should you get a coolant flush? Well, it does range from manufacturer to manufacturer, and there are a variety of environmental factors that do come into play. Generally, every 40 to 60,000 kilometers or every 2 to 3 years tends to make sense for most vehicles. An engine coolant flush is a vital maintenance task that ensures the efficient and reliable operation of a vehicle's cooling system. By preventing overheating, corrosion, and other related issues, regular coolant flushes contribute to the overall health and longevity of the engine. If you would like us to move forward with this engine coolant flush, please let us know right away. And if you have any other questions, please do give us a call and we'll do our best to get them answered promptly for you. Thank you so much for your patience, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.